In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your account on PU Prime. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the PU Prime website and log in using your credentials. Now, if you haven't registered yet, this is going to be the perfect opportunity for you to create an account. This will only take a few minutes because all I have to do is provide all the information needed and click the create an account. If you do, you will be forwarded to your account here in PU Prime. Now, in the left side area, there is an option that says verification, and I want you to click on it. This is going to be the first step to that, okay? Now here at the bottom, you see that there are different levels, and level 1 is about account opening verification, and I have done that already. And then the next step is going to be the level 2 ID verification. You need to upload ID proof to unlock the transaction qualification. All I have to do is very simple. Click the verify now. And then you need to upload ID, proof of address, and a lot more. So I'm going to click on the continue, or if you want, you can continue on your phone. It's up to you, all right? If you continue your verification on your phone, you need to open that on your Android device or iPhone. But if you don't want that, you need to select the document type. Is it going to be a driver's license, an ID card, residence permit, or passport? In my case, I'm going to be using an ID card. I'm going to click the continue button, and I'm going to make sure you have a clear visuals of the front side of your ID card. I'm gonna drag and drop the file. Once successful, click the continue button, and then the next is verifying your personal information. And once you've done that, just log in again using your credentials. Now, if the issue still persists and you feel that you have submitted all your IDs but it's not going smoothly, all I have to do is go to the chat button here if you want to contact the customer support service. From here, you can type in your question. For example, this right here, press enter. And then you can also hover down to the left side area of the navigation and go to the support. From here, click the contact us option. These are going to be your options. Okay, so you have the contact them via these phone numbers or email them, live chat, and a lot more. And basically, that's how you verify your account here in PU Prime. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.